It's been 6 days that my son has now been in hospital. But today, I managed to sneak out and give my lecture at the University of East London, where I was talking to music students about confidence, stage anxiety, and finding your feet in the spotlight. And the question was, how do I find my confidence when Elvis has left the building? And there are 3 top tips that I love to share. Number 1, because your energy is all over the place, your thoughts run really fast. How can we calm our thoughts down? Well, we probably can't, because the nervous energy is trapped all the way here and our breathing is all the way here. The first thing we need to do is ground the energy back down into the ground. So how do we do that? Well, we could breathe it down, like so. Breathe the energy down. I really recommend this active out breath all the way to the end, and then allowing your belly to fall out, because that resets the so-called diaphragmatic breathing, which is the first thing that goes when you're excited. So try this. And then let the belly go like this. This automatically sends a signal to the brain that we are safe and we're relaxed, because we generally only breathe this way when we are safe and relaxed. When you're tense, you breathe from the top. So by actively pushing the air out and then letting your breathing reset, you can hack yourself back into your relaxed way of being. So that's number 1. Number 2, because your energy is stuck up here, maybe energetically we want to get the energy flowing. You can do that by holding your 2 fingers with your other hand. This is something my dance teacher taught me many, many years ago. She was very wise, she was senior, she was amazing. So if you hold your hands with your fingers with your hand like so, the energy circuit, as you can see, is closed and the energy can circulate rather than going all over the place because you're excited. Try it, don't believe me, just try it out. Looks really confident too. You can do it here or behind your back. And number 3, because your energy is stuck up here, you really need to get it back in your body. Confidence is not an idea in practical terms. In practical terms, it's a state, sure, of mind, but also of feeling calm and natural and just being yourself. And that means being okay in your own skin. So how do we get back into the body when your mind is active? Touch yourself. Feel your body. Feel your feet on the floor. Get some awareness in your bum, in your hips. Here we go. And then get yourself back in your body. I hope that helps. Let me know which tip was the favorite.